Need to import form data into a PDF but only have an XFDF data file? These XML files carry the answers to fillable PDF forms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these form data exchange files with your PDF documents. We're going to solve this XFDF issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. XFDF files are XML forms, data format files used to exchange form field data and annotations with PDF documents. They contain the field values entered into PDF forms stored in a readable XML structure that can be imported into or exported from fillable PDF documents for data processing and archival. And XFDF files are XML forms, data format files used to exchange form field data and annotations with PDF documents. They contain the field values entered into PDF forms stored in a readable XML structure that can be imported into or exported from fillable PDF documents for data processing and archival. And the fundamental reading standard for XFDF is set by Adobe Acrobat Pro from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the XFDF file and select Open With. Try Adobe Acrobat Pro first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. When an XFDF file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Failure to open this XFDF file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, open an Adobe Acrobat. Launch Adobe Acrobat and open the PDF form that corresponds to the XFDF data. Use Forms. Then import data and browse to the XFDF file. Acrobat populates all matching form fields with the values from the XFDF file, instantly filling the form with the stored response data. Next, view the raw XML. Open the XFDF file in any text editor or XML viewer, such as VS Code or Notepad+, to inspect the form data structure. Each field element shows the form field name and submitted value in human-readable XML format. This is useful for verifying data before import or for troubleshooting missing field mappings. Finally, process with code. Parse XFDF files, programmatically using any XML processing library in Python, Java, or JavaScript. Extract field values for database storage reporting or form data migration. Libraries like iText PDFbox or Python's XML entry can read XFDF data and map values to PDF form fields or external data systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.